Welcome to TANGRAM Inno Insight, your weekly briefing on groundbreaking innovations shaping our future. Let's start with an advancement in workplace robotics. Hyundai Motor Group has introduced the X-ble shoulder, a robotic exoskeleton that reduces shoulder strain by 60% for overhead tasks. Made from carbon composites, it requires no batteries and highlights Hyundai's plans for wearable robots, including models for heavy lifting and rehabilitation. Production is set for late 2025. Next, the German company Filics has introduced a game-changing innovation in pallet transportation, a compact, autonomous dual-runner system. Designed for moving pallets, it can handle 1.2-ton loads at 1.2 meters per second, using laser navigation, omnidirectional movement, and a customizable web interface. Finally, a monumental leap in renewable energy. China has launched the world's largest offshore solar power plant, with a 1 gigawatt capacity and annual output of 1.78 billion kilowatt-hour, enough to power 2.67 million homes. By combining solar energy with fish farming, this project underscores China's push to reduce fossil fuel use and cut greenhouse gas emissions. That wraps up this week's Inno Insights. Join us next time as we dive deeper into the latest innovations across various industries. Until then, stay curious.